Welcome home to this beautifully renovated 4-bedroom apartment located right here in Camden, New Jersey. As we step inside, you notice the spacious living area with fresh flooring, plenty of natural light, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. This home features a modern kitchen with updated cabinets, sleek countertops, and full of appliances ready for all your cooking needs. Each of the 4 bedrooms offers comfortable space with closets and brand new finishes, ideal for families or anyone needing a home office. You'll also enjoy the updated bathroom with contemporary fixtures and a clean, stylish design. Located in a convenient area close to shopping, public transportation, and local attractions, this apartment is move-in ready, waiting for you. If you're interested and would like to schedule a tour, contact us today. Your new home is just a call away.